Hi friends, welcome to the next JS series. In this tutorial, we will be seeing what is routing and different type of route. Here, static route, dynamic parallel route, and here also we will look how to make a route group. So here the routing is all about the file system based route where the folder it's defined the route. Here I have a project. I haven't used any TypeScript here. Here I have a project name called route layout. In this I have a app folder. So in the app folder I have a page.js and layout.js. So in this I have a children props. Whatever I have in the page, that page is passed through this children props, so that you will be getting this uh, localhost colon 3000 whatever we have in the page.js it's displayed here. So here I'm just creating a one folder. That folder is might be anything. Here my folder name is book, and here I have a page.js. This should be a page.js. The file name should be page.js. Here I have to give RFC. This is a React functional component. You have to install the extension ES7. Here I have a book page. So here I have a book route. So once you go to this slash book, you will be getting the book page right here. So here you have seen this book. So I'm just creating another folder. That folder might be anything. I'm just creating a dashboard. This dashboard should have a page.js file name. So here I'm just giving a page.js. In this I have giving RFC. So this is a dashboard page. So I'm just saving this and go to the slash dashboard. You will be getting this dashboard page. So you can see the dashboard is displayed here. So I want to make a route. So the whatever the route, the slash books and slash dashboard, I want to make it a route group. So for that I'm just creating a new folder. That folder name should be in the parenthesis. The file the folder name should be anything. I'm just giving route, routing or route. You can give whatever the name should be in the parenthesis. I'm just moving this book into the routing. So I'm just moving, and also I'm just moving the dashboard to this. So the whatever, so the book and the dashboard route is under this route group called routing. So here go to the documentation here. So go to the, here I have route group. So in this route group you can see, so the route group can be created, the wrapping up in the parenthesis. A folder name might be anything. This will not affect your URL. So once again, I go to the browser. If I click the dashboard, it's displayed the same. This will not affect your path, URL path. So I'm just, for example, now I want to create, for suppose if I have a book. In this book, I have a category. So in this, if I click this category, my page is 404. So I want to create path. So for that I'm just giving a new folder. So the category, so in this category I'm just want to create a name, should be file name should be page.js. This is publicly accessible. So RFC. So I'm just giving, and this is a category page. So once I save this and go to the browser, you can see the category page is displayed here. So this is all about the static route. I want to make a dynamic. So for that, in the category, for example, here, if I give, so just I want to create a new folder. For example, I want to make a route. dynamic route. For that, the file convention should be in the square bracket and file name should be anything. So here I'm just giving fiction. So in the category, so in this fiction, I'm just creating a new file. That file name should be page.js. Here I'm just giving RFC. I'm just, this is a fiction page. So I'm just saving this and go to the browser. Uh, so here I'm just giving fiction. So you will be getting this fiction page. So here, this is a dynamic route, right? You should be given this square bracket. In this, you can give any whatever the name you are giving. Here, I want to pass this in the params. So have to give params. Here, you have to give in the curly bracket. In the curly bracket, you have to give params dot the whatever the file name, the folder name, that name should be appear here. So this is a fiction. So once I save this, you go to the browser. If I click this, whatever this is called as a segment. This is one segment. This is another segment. So we call it as a segment. So the fiction is displayed here. Whatever the name, this is a dynamic route, right? So if I give A, the A will be displayed here. If I give B will be displayed right here. So the like that, this page is dynamic route now. So this is a one segment. For example, if I give fiction slash story 1 story 2, like that I'm just giving. So this is 404. My all the segments should be displayed. So for that you have to rename this. So here I want to catch all the segments. So that for that you have to give three periods or three dots you have to give. So once you give this and go to the browser, if you click this, all segments will be displayed through this params. So params of fiction, the fiction story 1 story 2, all it's been displayed here. So go to the documentation. In the dynamic route you will, here I have a dynamic route. So here the dynamic route convention should be in the square bracket. The folder name should be anything. Here they have given, for example, ID or slug. So in this, you will be getting through the params dot whatever the in the square bracket you have to give. So this is a dynamic. If you want to catch all the segments, that time you have to give dot dot dot. So for here, you have to give dot 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 folder name. So here I'm just go to this, and here I have, so in this you will be seeing fiction story 1 story 2. So here I'm just giving a array of 0. My zeroth position will be displayed here. Here, this is a fiction, so that fiction will be displayed. So here once I refresh it, you could see, so fiction will be displayed here. If I give 1 instead of 0, my route will be story 1. So this is all about the dynamic route and catch all the segments through this triple dots. That is three periods we have to give. So we have seen the route groups, and also we have seen the static route and also seen the dynamic route. And in that we have how to catch all the segments. So next, so here I have a app. So in this, I have parallel routes we will see now. So here I have a new folder. That folder convention should be at, suppose I have a about page. So in the about page, I'm having a file called new file. In this, I have a page.js. So in this page, I'm just giving RFC. So here I have about page. So I'm just saving this. Also have another folder called contact. So this is all about the parallel route. So here I have a contact. In this contact, I'm just creating a new file. That file name should be the page.js. So here I'm just giving RFC. Here this is a contact page. So the parallel route here you can see in this documentation. Go to the documentation, click parallel route. So here I have a about and contact page. So you should be give at, so the slot you have to define it as a slot. Slots are defined as a at folder. Whatever the folder we are giving, that folder should begin with the at. So if I have two or more page, it will be displayed. About page and contact page should be in the same layout. That time we will be using a parallel route. So let's see by the example. uh, Here go to the folder. I have a about page and contact page. Here I have to define it in the layout. Two or more pages should be in the same layout. That time we have to pass a props here. Here I have a about prop, and also I have a contact props. So here I have to define here the about, and also have to define here the contact. So once I save this, so I'm just saving this. You go back to the browser here. So here I have in the main layout I'm just defining. So I'm just removing this. So once I click this, so you will be seeing the children props which we have is hello friends, and about page is whatever I have given in this page, it will be displayed. Also the contact page will be displayed here. So here the hello friends, about and contact. So if I have one or more pages, it should be, if we have a requirement, if we want that pages should be displayed in the same layout, that time we will be using this at slot. So this is all about the parallel route. Here you can make it a new slot also. Here I'm just creating another folder. For example, I have a lib. So in the lib, I have a file name called page.js. So in the page.js, I have RFC. So here I am just giving a lib. This is a lib page. So once I go to this slash lib, you will be seeing the lib page will be displayed over here. So I don't want to display this lib page. So for that, you have to, the file convention should be, I have to rename this. This should be in the prefix you have to give underscore. So once you give this, you can see this pages will not be dis- so this pages will be 404, because this page will not be routable. Once you give with the prefix underscore, this will not be displayed here. This is all about the routing, how to make a route groups, and static route, dynamic route, and parallel route. So parallel route, the convention should be at the rate, and in the layout page you have to pass up props. Whatever the slots we have created, that should be passed through the prop. So this is all about the routing. Thank you.